Hello there. A quite windy day in Stockholm, but I'm welcoming you all guys to a preview of the green food truck. I will show you the way of the customer, so sit tight and see how the procedure goes. This is the way in. This is the truck standing ready. We have a ready pavement for everybody to walk on, so we don't interfere with traffic. Once you arrive to the food truck, you have signs showing check in and check out. You have the menu of the week and of course our COVID guidelines. And the idea is to walk on a separate side on your way in. We're expecting the line to go from over here. Here is 10 meters from the car. We have another sign, another menu that shows the positioning of the car. When you come in here, you have each one of these poles is 2 meters, so we have a 2 meter separate way. We have the design of the car visible all the time, and of course the people who are coming here already know the menu since it's been broadcasted on screens and so on. Let's try it. Hello Jonathan.
Hello.
Could I please have today's special?
Yes, of course.
As you see, we have multiple arrangements in payments. We do Swish, we do AZ card, we do banking, and of course, let's see, I could hopefully pay with my Apple ID as well. No thanks, I'm good. We have the disinfection straight away if you have touched this one. We have extra information for menus. We have small, right now it's not really visible, but you have chips and salads and sodas in a special fridge here. To get a good vision of the kitchen, we have heating containers, we have a steam bath, grill, fryer, and a table for searing stuff. Stekbord. Extra. Hello Micke.
Hello.
We can just show you before you flip the box, please. Today's vegetarian green hamburger. You have the soup, a ramen soup with chicken eggs and noodles. Tofu as well. And we have the karaage sushi rice double fried chicken with bean sprouts, and it's a miso mayonnaise.
Yes.
Besides, or behind Mickey, we also have extra fridges for the soups to have an easy takeaway. We have good sodas, kombuchas, regular Cokes of course.